Coming, wait.
Why so long, monster?
My wish vampire.
Go get me some orange juice.
What? Help yourself, you stupid vampire. Vam, once you eat your food, wash my plate as well.
I'm not your servant.
Of course not. You're the servant of the house. Huh? Failure.
What the hell? Why you hitting me? What do you think of yourself? I am not your. This is none of your business.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, all the best.
Sam, where's my breakfast? Oh, hello. Where's my breakfast?
Huh?
Why no cash?
Hey Simi, what's up?
Hey D, where are you?
I'm at home, yeah, working.
Actually, I needed some cash. Can you please meet me? I need it urgently.
Okay. Let's meet
Okay,
at.
so meet me near VJTI. Hey D, I need some more cash. Please meet me.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, bye. Hello? Hey D, meet me near VJTI and carry cash.
No, Sim, I can't. I have to manage my expenses for the entire month.
You can't do anything?
I'm really sorry.
Okay. Listen, I need some money.
But you said it's none of my business.
Of course, it's none of your business, but I need the money. I need to go out and do other things.
Now it's none of my business.
Thank you.
Sit. Listen, we have nobody in this world. After mom and dad, you are my mom, dad. Brother and sister, a friend and foe. We just lost mom dad 32 days back, and we are in the situation with the fear of COVID. On the contrary, our situation is even bigger than COVID. The pandemic will end in a couple of weeks and months, but we'll have to live our life anyways. So, how do we conduct our life actions is the challenge. We need to sort things for each other, take the right steps, and start life with new ways. I really need your help, Sim. You'll have coffee? Sim, so far, our real journey hasn't begun. For past days, uncles, aunties, neighbors, and friends have helped us. But do you know if there's anything being kept for us? Any fixed deposits, mediclaims, etc.? Did mom dad tell you about any important stuff?
No, they didn't tell me anything. They only told me to take care of you and myself.
Okay. Mm, Let me ask you a question. What kind of a life do you wish to live? Good or bad?
Of course, good. Don't ask me stupid questions.
Fair enough. So, in order to live a good life, firstly, our actions has to be good, right?
Right.
I don't want to say that you are wrong, but we need to put things correctly. Honestly speaking, I don't want to take help from anybody, any relatives or friends or known unknown people.
And how do you plan to do that?
In general conversation, dad used to always tell me,
Son, never stretch your hands for anything in front of anybody because doing so you'll lose your respect.
these words and other such teachings and advices resonate in my ears. One of the days when mom dad was stationed in the hospital, medicating, caring for the patients, they called me and told me, do not worry. If anything goes wrong due to this pandemic, we have paid for both your education for the next 4 years. Where my further education is concerned, Bajaj uncle will contact me for further action. Then monies have been kept in FDs and other mediums. We will get a certain amount every month for our livelihood. But he also said that how will we use that money will prove us sensible or insensible. You should also recollect the conversation that had happened between mom, dad, and you. Pick out the words that they told you which touched your heart. Share it with me as well so that I can also put those into practice for both of us. Let's begin immediately with patience. And I also remember mom used to always tell me never hurry with any decision, but give it more time for it to come with a better solution. And the best example for that is what I did with you. I allowed you to behave the way you wanted. I allowed you to do whatever you like. But eventually, you had to come to terms with your hunger and keep your ego aside. Promise me that we will live a good and sensible life and never stretch our hands for anything in front of anybody and make our parents happy up above and ourselves.
The right decisions in life will help you save 1,000 regrets.